Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer card benefits using the Costco Anywhere Visa beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer card benefits using the Costco Anywhere Visa, start by gathering your materials. Ensure you have your Costco Anywhere Visa card on hand. It's important to have an account with Costco and an understanding of your current benefits. Log into your Costco online account using a secure internet connection. Navigate to the rewards section of your account dashboard. Review your current rewards accumulated from your Costco purchases. Determine which benefits you wish to transfer. If applicable, check the terms and conditions related to transferring benefits. Next, locate the option to transfer benefits within your account settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the transfer process. Enter the necessary details, including the account you wish to transfer benefits to. Confirm that the information is correct before proceeding. Once confirmed, submit your transfer request. You should receive a confirmation notification regarding your transfer. Monitor your account and the recipient account for the successful application of the benefits. Keep any relevant documentation for your records. Lastly, take note of any future deadlines related to benefits transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.